Yes, friends, so we are continuing with question number 12. Okay, so in 12th question, the sides of the triangle are given. Okay, the sides of a triangle are 11 centimeter, 13 centimeter, and 16 centimeters respectively. Now, what is the perimeter? What is its perimeter and area? These are written down here. Okay, so let me take first perimeter. Now, perimeter, sorry friends, perimeter of a the ink has been come out from a marker. Okay, no problem. Let are clean now. The perimeter of the triangle, in this case of the triangle, let me take ABC triangle is, this is ABC triangle we have taken. ABC sides are, this is B, this is C, and this is A. ABC three sides are given here. The perimeter is nothing but A plus B plus C. This will represent by twice S. Okay, so let me sum them. 11 plus 13 plus 16, 13 plus 16 29, and plus 11 40. It is 40 here. The perimeter is 40. The first answer is perimeter is equal to 40 centimeter. First answer is this. Now we find out what semi-perimeter. Now semi-perimeter is equal to 40 upon 2, that means 20. So this is value of small s, or small s equal to 20. Therefore s minus a is 20 minus 11, which is 9. S minus b is equal to 20 minus 13, which is 7. And S minus C equal 20 minus 16, which is equal to 4. These three values, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and S, we have to apply them by Heron's formula. Area of any triangle, which sides are, the sides of which are given, the sides of which are ABC, the lengths of the sides are given, then we apply Heron's formula. In this case also we apply the Heron's formula. The first answer was 40 centimeter perimeter. Now area, for area we have to find out. Let me now write it here. Okay, so for area, by Heron's formula, we know what is the area. By Heron's formula, area of the triangle, area of the given triangle, let me take ABC, is equal to the square root of, put the formula first, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is formula for the area. Put the values now. Substituting the values, which are S is 20 into 9, S minus A, S minus B is 7 into S minus C is 4. Okay, so let me now factorize this. The 20 means 4 into 5. 20 means 4 into 5. Okay, into 9 means 3 into 3 into 7 into 2 into 2, 4 means, so this is 4 into 4. 1 4 will come out. 1 3 has come out because 3 is a pair, 4 is a pair. 5 and 7 are under the square root. This is 35. Under the 35 square root, this is 12 square root 35. What is the value of square root 35? That we have to calculate. Let me further check whether any mistake. No, not there any mistake. There is no any mistake here. 4, okay, 4 into 4, that means 4 is the square root out of 4 into 4. Okay, the square root of 4 into 4, that means 4. And 5 and 7, they are only single numbers, not pairs, so they cannot be taken out. The square root of 35 let me calculate separately. So how do we find out square root? So first area can be written as area of the triangle ABC. We have calculated is 12 under root 35. Now what is under root 35? Let me calculate. How do we calculate this under root 35? We have to apply this like 5 into 5, 25. Then remaining value is 10 only. Further we add this as 10 and here we put some value so that we can multiply this by 1 into 1. It is 0.1. Okay, because here only 5 point something. Here it is 1. Only 1 because if I multiply by 2, it will be 200. But that is not. Okay, this is 1 only. So 1, let me multiply by 1. 1 we substitute here also. After adding 5 plus 5, 10. This is 10 here. We put here 1. Now put 1 here. Then we multiply this. So here, here it is 0 we have to apply. So we have to put here some number 0, 0. Okay, because only single digits or 2 digits we have to just apply here. Now if I just put here some number, suppose 5 I have put here, or 9 I have put here, let me put 9 here. This is 9.9. 9 9 is 81 and this is 900 only. 981 only. So 5.9 let me substitute here. This could because 36 is going to be 6 undoubtedly. It will be 5.9 something. Okay. Just multiply 12 into 35.5.9. Let me just substitute this as square root 35 is 5.9. Multiply this just directly. 5.9. So 12 9 ja 108, right? 12 9 ja 108. That means 8 and 10 carries. 12 had the 60 and 10 70. It is 70.8. 70.8 only. Okay, square centimeter. This is centimeter square. Answer. Okay, so this is 70.8 square meter. This is the square centimeter. Sorry, square centimeter. Centimeter square. This is the answer. The second answer, area of this triangle is, by Heron's formula is 70.8 square centimeter. Centimeter square or square centimeter. This is 12th question. We have to find out perimeter and its area. Okay, so this is area and perimeter of this triangle. Now let us take the next question. Question number 13. Okay, so guys, there is one, I think I'm remembering something which the mistake which I have committed in question number 4 and 5. What is that? I think substituted something, the wrong units. What is that wrong units? That 1 hectare. I put, I think it is 100 square, not 100 only. 1 hectare. Question number 4 and 5, I think 1 hectare is equal to 100 into 100 or 100 square. That means 10,000 square meter. This is a square meter. So sorry friend, this question in question number 4 and 5 is not 100 only, because I think I have substituted something wrong here. So if it is 100 only, then please keep there 100 square, because 1 hectare is equal to 100 into 100 square meter. 100 square meter. If I convert this unit into square meter, then it is 100 into 100. So that is one of the corrections I think I'm just remembering that I think I put there 100 square meter or something, but it is 100 into 100 square meter. So that I'll just correct there. Question number 4 and 5 I think. That I'll do again. Okay. So in the end, after completing this whole all the questions. I'll just take those two questions and just brief them, that the mistake which I might have committed can be improved upon. Okay, so please just try to understand my submission here. Okay, so that are correct. Okay, so question number now 13, 14 and 15, 3 questions are left over. Now let me check them further. Okay, now question number 13. Let me talk about question number 13 now. Okay, now 13th question is, the base of a right angle triangle is 5 centimeter. If its height is 10 centimeter, find its hypotenuse and area. Okay, so let us take question number 13. Now it says a right angle triangle. In this case, let me take ABC is the right angle triangle. Now what is given to us? We are given here the base of the right angle triangle is 5 centimeter. It is 5 centimeter. Let me take BC is the base. And its height is 10 centimeter. And this is 10 centimeter. Height means altitude perpendicular of a right angle triangle. And this is hypotenuse AC. The side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. And so first we have to find out what is hypotenuse. And then its area also. Area can be just calculated. So what is given to us? A right angle triangle ABC, in which we are given base BC is equal to 5 centimeter and the height AB, which is height here, is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore, and what we will find out here, solution here to find its hypotenuse, and area. These two things are required. So AC is equal to what? Area is equal to what? These two things we have to calculate. AC is hypotenuse. First, let me find out what is area. Area of a right angle triangle. Of a right angled triangle is equal to half product of the base and altitude or perpendicular. So this is base into perpendicular or altitude or height. This is perpendicular here. We will substitute 1 upon 2 base. Base is here 5 into 10. 2 5 is 10. This is 25. 25 square centimeter. Square centimeter. This is the area here. Okay, area of the right angle triangle. Area of a right angled triangle. This is the area here. Hypotenuse, and by Pythagoras theorem, we have AC square is equal to AB square in this case plus BC square. This is 10 square plus 5 square means 100 plus 25. That means this is 125. So AC is equal to square root of 125. It's nothing but 5 into 5 into 5. That means it is 505. 5 root 5. What we have here? We are left with 5 under root 5 units. AC is 5 under root 5 units. We can say centimeter in this case. So centimeter is the unit in this case. Put the value of square root 5, it is 2 point. Okay, we can calculate that value, square root of 5, and then multiply by 5, it may be 11 point something. Okay, so this is the hypotenuse. This is one of the answers here. The second answer is this hypotenuse AC, which is 5 under root 5. AC is 5 under root 5. Okay, so that we have calculated here. So hypotenuse, or if we just put the value of under root 5 and then multiply, that will give us the accurate value in decimals, but not also in decimals. If you want to find in decimal points, in decimal I mean, so under root 5 can be calculated is root of 5, is 2 root of 4, it is 1 only, this is 4 here. We have to put here some value, okay, in 2 digits. If we put here in 2 digits, if I put here, okay, let me take 100, this 2, sorry, this is 5, 2 point something. Now here, if I put 2, then multiply by 2, it is 84. Because if it's 3, it is something more than that. It is 42. If I multiply this by 84 here, it is 6. 2 zeros I have included here, I have increased here, and after that this is 60. Further, this is 44 here. I will put here some value and let me again add 2 more zeros. Now if I put here 4, then 4 for the 60, it is 3 here. Because if I multiply by 3, and 3 3 and 9, 3 for the 12, 1 carry 3, 12, 1 30, is okay. So about 2.23 this value is. If I multiply 5 by 2.23, this is the value of square root 5. Therefore, all T2 is hypotenuse. Therefore, hypotenuse AC is equal to 5 root 5 equal to 5 into 2.23. It is 5 3 15, 5 1 carry, 5 to 10 1 11, 1 carry, and 5 to 10 and 1 11, 11.15. I just was thinking what that is 11 point something. Okay, so it is 11.5 centimeters. This is hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. Okay, so this is second answer. Question number 13 completed. Now let us take the next question. What is that question? Question number 14 now. Okay, question number 14 is of what kind? Okay, let us take question number 13 now. Question number 13. Okay, still talking. No problem. Question 13 is completed. Now 14th question. In the figure that is there, okay, at the right hand, figure at the right, what is the perimeter of the triangle ABC? Okay, now let us solve this question. Now here it is the figure. It says it is 60 degree. It is 10 meter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, right? It is also 10 centimeter. What does it mean? It means we have to find out what is the, let me take this is ABC here. A is this point, B and C. What we see here, if it is 60 degree angle in between, and these two sides are equal, so these two angles are also equal. Now sum of these two angles is 120 degree. Why? Because 180 minus 60 is 120. So half of each angle, this angle is equal to this. And angle B, since angle B is equal to angle C, but angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. That means 120 degree. So half of each angle is 60 degree. So this is also 60. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree each. That means it is an equilateral triangle. Try to understand. It has become equilateral triangle. 14th question. What is given to us? A triangle ABC in the right, on the right or in the right, in which this is isosceles triangle, in which side is AB is equal to AC equal to 10 centimeter. Angle A is equal to 60 degree is also given. Solution here. What is here? That if this angle is, since right, this is isosceles triangle, this is an isosceles triangle, isosceles triangle, isosceles triangle, as AB is equal to AC is equal to 10 centimeter, isosceles triangle. So angle B is equal to angle C. The sides equal. The sides, the angle opposite to those equal sides are also equal. So angle B is equal to angle C. Isosceles triangle. But this we have already proved. Hence, okay, triangle ABC proved to be an equilateral triangle. That is, those all angles are equal. 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Two sides are given, then third side is also 10 centimeters. ABC proved to be an equilateral triangle. Therefore, BC is equal to BC side. The side BC is equal to 10 centimeters. Side BC is equal to 10 centimeters. Therefore, perimeter of the triangle ABC here is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 centimeters equal to 30 centimeters. This is the answer here. Now, if it is equilateral triangle, we can find out area also, but area is not to be calculated here because it is not asking for. In the figure at the right hand side, what is the perimeter of triangle ABC? Perimeter is 30 centimeters. The answer because 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters. It has been proved that it is equilateral triangle. Okay, so this is question number 14. Now let us talk about what is question number 15. What is question number 15 talk about? Question number 15 now. Okay, now question number 15. Now it says that what is the area of an equilateral triangle this size of 10 centimeter in length. So this is equilateral triangle we are given. Now area is to be calculated. This could be done there also. This is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. This equilateral triangle here. Okay, ABC. All right. So what is the area? What is the area? What is the area of the equilateral triangle ABC? Equilateral triangle ABC, where AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 10 centimeter area. Solution here. Now we know that what is the area of an equilateral triangle. Since area of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square unit. Okay, now here we have under root 3 by 4 into side square means 10 square. This is root 3 by 4 into 100 centimeter square or square centimeter. So 425 times 25 4 is 100. This is 25 into root 3. But 25 root 3 is the value of root 3. 1.732. Multiply this by 25 7 ja. Sorry, 25 to the 50. 0, 25 3 ja 75 plus 5 80 8. 25 7 ja 175. 25 7 ja 175. 25 4 ja 100. 25 7 ja 175. 175 plus 8. 75 plus 8 is 183. Yeah. 3 18 carry. 75 plus 8 183. 3 18 carry. Now 25 1 is 25 and 18. 25 and 18 43. Right? So this is 43 here. Count after 3 decimals from right. It is 43.303. It is 43.3 centimeter square or square centimeter. This is the area in this case. This area of this equilateral triangle is the same value, 43.3 centimeter. I think this is area of the question number 14 also. In 14th question also we have the sides 10 centimeter each. That means that is also equilateral triangle of the same side. 10 centimeter. Area of this, area of 14th question is of the triangle is also 43.3 centimeters square. Okay, because it is 25 into root 3. Root 3 is 1.732. That we have not multiplied. 25 plus 18. Okay, so 15 plus 25 is 40 and plus 3. 43. This is 43.3 square centimeter. This is the last question, 15th question. But as I just promised you, I think I have committed some mistake in writing, changing this hectare into square meter. That is question number 4 and 5, I think. Yeah, only those two questions are there in which I used hectare converted into square centimeter. So please note down. In question number 4, let me do it again. Question number 4 and 5. Question number 4. Now let me write here 1 hectare. This we have to just note down. I put there 100 only, but it is 100 is square meter. This is the value, or this is 100 into 100 square meter, or this is nothing but 10,000 or 140 square meter. Okay, so this is value of 1 hectare. Now let us take question number 4. What does it say? What is given to us? So we are given here the base of a triangular field is the base of a triangular field. This is triangular field. It's equal to 880 meter. 880 meter. Fourth question. Okay, and its height is its height is equal to 550 meters. 550 meters. Okay, this is meters. 550 meters. Now find the Okay, this is the two things are good. Find the area of the field. First thing we find out. Also conclude the so this also calculate the charges for supplying. The charges for supplying water. This is something to be calculated. Okay, area is also to be required because the reason is that it says that also calculate the charges for supplying water to the field at the rate of 25.25 per square hectometer. Per square hectometer, charges are these. Okay, so let me now find out what is the area first. The solution here. Solution. Area of the triangular field is equal to 880 base into half, because it's a triangle, so half base into height. This is half base into height. That is 1.2 into 880 into 550. 2 4 ja 440 into 550. Only 44 into 55. You have to do. Two zeros are there. It will be 0 0. The value 4 5 20. 0 to carry 4 5 20. 5 4 20. 20 plus 20 40 plus 2 42. 4 carry 5 4 20 and 2 20. Okay, so this is what 5 4 20 0 to carry 5 4 20 5 4 20 20 plus 20 40 plus 2 42 2 4 carry 5 4 20 20 and 2 20 20 to 20, the value of 55 into 44. Okay. This is 2 2 2 and 1 more 0. Okay, so this is the square unit. Square meter in this case. This is a square meter. Square meters. Now, this is square meter. Now, if I convert this into hectare, so area in hectare, will be, this is square meter. Now, 10,000 square meter is equal to 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter, or 1 square meter is equal to how many hectares upon 10,000? It will be 220 3 zeros divided by 100 into 100. This is 100 by 100. So 1 0.